Hello YouTube, this is DSM here. This time, I'm not showing you a mask that I buy. I will show you a mask that I make. And this, I know what to call it. I just got a bag and just cut out the eyes and put blood in it and dirt. And me, I feel proud of myself that I did this. At least I know that I can do my own mask. I try it on and see what you think. It's not simple. All you need is some scissors, a painting kit, and some fake blood. It's good. It's good for me. I keep this because this is my very first mask that I made by myself with very good details. With details. Yeah, the green is supposed to be darker, but it's good. So this is my creative mask. And also DSM presents natural value. It's good for you. You should try it. And it's good for your health. Very good for your health. So this is DSM and I'm signing out. Peace.